Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be showing you 7 ways to fix Wi-Fi and internet issues. I click on the internet button here and there is no Wi-Fi button, there is no connection list. I go to start button, settings, network and internet. And there is no Wi-Fi option. The Wi-Fi here is missing. Let's know if the problem is from the operating system or from the hardware. For us to know what the problem is, I go to start search here, click and type CMD to open the command prompt. When the command prompt opens, I type ping space 127.1.1.1. Press the enter key, and when you get this kind of response that shows there's nothing wrong with the operating system, it's just the hardware that we need to fix. For the first solution, I go to start search and type control to open the control panel. Network and internet options. When this comes up, I go to advanced tab, restore advanced settings and reset down here, and this box opens up. Click reset again and it should fix this. If this does not work, then we go for solution 2. Press the window and R keys on the keyboard at the same time to open the run box, then type services.msc, hit OK, and the list of services on your device opens up. From there we look for WLAN autoconfig. Make sure it is running, and if it is not running, once you click on it, the option to set it running will be at the top, somewhere at the top. Then right click on it and go to properties. Make sure the startup type is on automatic. Apply and OK. Restart your computer and see it works. If not, press window key and R keys together and in the run box type devmgmt.msc. Press OK. Go to network adapters. Then look for faulty adapters. For me, I have only one faulty adapter, so I click on the faulty adapter here, right click on it and go to update driver. We do not have internet, so we cannot use the first option here, so we will need to go to browse on my computer for drivers. Let me pick from the available drivers on the computer. On the list of drivers, I will select the one that has Microsoft on it. You can select anyone that has current or recent date. Click next to install. This should fix the problem. If not, let's try the next solution. For the fourth solution, press window and R keys at the same time and type devmgmt.msc again. Press OK. It takes us back to network adapters. Expand it, and I will be selecting Wi-Fi adapter. You can choose any network adapter of your choice. Right click on it and go to properties. And in the box here, go to power management tab and uncheck this box here. Give it OK. Restart the computer. If it does not work, then back to your Wi-Fi adapter, right click on it, then uninstall. Go back again to the same Wi-Fi adapter, right click, then install. You can restart your system and see if it works for you now. Otherwise, let's try the next solution. For solution 5, go back to start button, settings, network and internet, and scroll down to network reset. Click on it. Reset now. Yes to confirm you want to reset the network. Restart the computer and see it works. If not, let's try solution 6. I go to start search and type CMD for control panel. I open it. Then I type netsh space winsock space reset. Enter key. And for the next level, I type again netsh space int space ip space reset space resetlog.txt, enter key. Then scroll down to the bottom after the response. You see it says you should restart your computer. This should work when you restart the computer. If not, let's try solution 7. Window and R keys at the same time. Then in the run box, I type msconfig. OK. Then I go to Services tab. Enable all. Apply. OK. Then it says restart the computer. I believe one or more of these 7 ways will work for you to solve the problem. Here are more videos. All these and many more videos are already in the description for you. Please check them out. It will be good if you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. That is, you like this video. All these really do help. And as I always do, thank you for watching.